Hello everyone! Today I'll be sharing an amazing tool for note-taking, which is mind maps. Now, mind maps will really transform the way you work and study. And today I'll be sharing how they can benefit you in becoming as efficient as possible. Now, what are mind maps? Mind maps are a way of organizing information in a way that is memorable for the brain. This is what a mind map looks like. Why would we use mind mapping? Well, personally, as a student, I know the struggle we have to go through to try to memorize the information, the load of information in books, research papers, lectures, and so on. We're given this ton of information without ever being told or taught how to store this information into our brain effectively. This leads us to taking reams and reams of linear notes and trying to stuff them into our brain somehow through the rote method, rereading them over and over again, which doesn't work. Before I became the world memory champion, I had an average memory, and I would too struggle to memorize the information for my exam material. But then I took the mind mapping course from my coach, Sania, and it was honestly a game changer for me. Not only does mind mapping allow you to cover the information worth 10 plus pages onto a single page using keywords, but they also allow you to remember all the information you have stored without any effort. My first experience using mind maps for my exams was liberating. So I had taken all my notes using mind maps for those exams, and when I went and I sat in the exam hall in front of my paper, all the information was just pouring out from my brain effortlessly without even having to think onto the paper. And I could see each and every branch from my mind map in my brain. I effortlessly got an A for those exams, and ever since then, I've been using mind maps everywhere. When you first come across a mind map, you'll see that it has colors and images and connections and keywords. In fact, the very formation of a mind map directly depicts the formation of a neuron within our brain. Many people believe that it is completely useless to be spending so much time making the images, the colors, the branches, the connections, and selecting the keywords in order to make a mind map. However, science shows that colors, images, branches, connections, all of these are the natural language of the brain. You realize the power of mind mapping when you make it and use it. Our brain is capable of memorizing anything and everything. We have the most powerful supercomputer in our heads. We just don't provide it information in a way that is natural and memorable for it. Instead, we use old and meaningless ways of storing information, which is why our brain doesn't remember. Mind mapping really transforms the way you study, give presentations, solve problems, and even the way you brainstorm, making it an extremely versatile tool to enhance your productivity in every way. And if you're interested in learning more about this, my awesome coach is about to hold her mind mapping course in just a few days. So for all the details, you can visit the link which I will put in the description below. Thank you for watching. That was all for this time. And until next time, be happy and be joyful.